In this video, myself and Alex open the hive for the very first time. We check each frame to find out what's going on inside our hive. Our number one objective is to find the queen. As always, Alex lights the smoker.
Just smoke the entrance, mate.
Our main goal today is to open the hive and inspect the hive frame by frame to see what's going on, to see what the bees are doing and to try and find the queen. Our first job is to remove the queen extractor, because when the swarm arrived, the beekeeper then said to us we have to put the extractor on the bottom so the queen can't escape, because she's had a few swarms delivered to people where the queen has just decided she doesn't like it in the hive and she leaves. So I spoke to the beekeeper up in the apiary and he said, no, just take the excluder off the bottom, you don't need it down there anymore. As long as there's pollen coming in, you can see that the bees are enjoying it there. So what we did first was just completely remove the excluder, and we're going to put it on top of the hive a little later on.
Take the pain.
Next, we're just going to pick up the frames one by one and just check to see what's going on. Hold it really carefully, that's it.
See, I can see one drone. Oh, drones are nice. When you found the queen, I'd also like to pick up the drone.
Put honey now ready.
Oh.
See up here?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Look at this side as well, look what they've been doing.
Well, they already have been set out for honey.
It's amazing.
Is that the queen? That's that's one of those giant. Right.
That's a drone, yeah.
There. There.
So as you can see, the bees have been very busy drawing out the foundation and collecting lots of pollen. Let's just see if we can find the queen. Let's have a good look on here.
All you can see is black dots everywhere. Well, eyes. So you're looking, is that the queen? No.
No.
It's like a big one.
We have 11 frames in this brood box, so we go through one by one, carefully looking for the queen. Let's show the camera up here. There are so many bees in this hive, it's amazing. There's one more look for her after this. She definitely isn't there. For example, I'm drawing out comb, look at that.
It's on your back, the drone.
Oh, is he? And one more quick skim through, then we'll put the honey super on top. So we check every single frame. We can't find the queen. I'm determined to find her though. So we work our way back through all the frames again to try and find her. The beekeeper up on the apiary also told me to stop feeding the bees sugar water. He said there's plenty of flowers around at the moment, plenty of food for the bees, so get your supers on quickly. So in a minute we're going to put on our honey supers as well. But first, we've got to find that queen. And I've ordered a marker pen so I can mark her as well.
I
didn't know there had any bees in it.
would have thought she'd be around there. Wherever you got me.
Where did you go?
A queen! The yellow dot!
Whoa! Good spotting. Alex finds the queen. Whoa, she's got a yellow spot. That is amazing. And a bonus, she's already marked. So in Beekeeper code, the yellow mark means this queen was born in a year with a 7 in it or a 2 in it. So because we're nowhere near a 7, she was last year's queen, born in 2022. So this queen bee came from an apiary somewhere or somebody who's got their own bees, and she swarmed and left, and now we have her. I'll put them in, yeah? Wow, awesome, Alex, good finding. Where's the smoker? If I just smoke it, then we'll get these bees down. You alright getting down?
Yeah.
So give it a... That's it, mate, good one. So it goes on like this.
So if she wants to now, she can get out, right?
She won't know, she seems pretty good in there.
Yeah, she likes it. Oh, I can just hear it. Whoa, that noise is, they're humming. Going down. Very nosy.
So now we've put the queen excluder on top of the brood box.
Sting its own leg. Here's the drone.
As per the advice from the beekeeper, we've taken away the sugar syrup and we're now loading up our super with our honey frames. So the bees can happily go up there and start to store honey. Don't go on my slip. The reason why we put the queen excluder above the brood box and below the honey supers is because we don't want the queen going up there. If the queen goes up there, she'll start laying eggs into our honey. And we don't want to scrape the honey out to find a load of grubs in there. So she stays down below in the brood box and the workers come through and store all their pollen and nectar.
It does maybe not demark this.
No.
Big fat one, isn't it? Fat girl.
Boy. I know. I placed 10 frames in the honey super, but I realised I've got room for one more, so I have to go and make another one soon to put back in there.
If there's any type of bee I want in my soup, it would be a drone. Drones, can they bite in with it?
Then we place the crown board on top, and then on top of that goes the lid. I think Alex has discovered his favourite type of bee, and it seems to be the drone, because they're big dumpy things with huge compound eyes and they don't sting, so they're pretty docile and just sit there really. And Alex had a great attitude in this hive inspection, so we're looking forward to doing the next one next week. In next week's inspection, we are going to open the hive up again, and this time we're looking for brood. We're going to check to see if the queen's laying eggs. We're going to check to see how far developed the brood are, how she's laying them, and we're also going to check our honey stores and see how our bees are progressing. These bees we find are also really calm. We receive no attacks and no stings. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy our content, please think about subscribing. And I'll see you again next week.